Hello everyone, welcome to this another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a project using RemoteConnect to configure SCADAPack 5 If you don't know how to download and install the software, please comment below. I will make another video to install and download the software. So let's open RemoteConnect first. Once you open RemoteConnect, you can see this window, different categories. The top one is toolbar. In the start page, there is home, open project, close project, read project. If you don't know how to read project, I've got another video in my channel. Yeah, you can go and have a look. So let's click create project. So once you click, you can see different configuration. So first one is SCADAPack. In SCADAPack, from the drop down button, I'm selecting SCADAPack 5 You can select whichever model of SCADAPack you're connecting to. So next one is Modbus. In Modbus, you have different options. After from creation of project, you whether you want to see Modbus option or not, it depends on the setting. So if you enable it, you can see in the project. Otherwise, you can't see those settings. So next one is DNP3. Let's give DNP3 address, which is very important if you are connecting this RTU to SCADA, which uses DNP3 protocol to communicate with this RTU. So for that, we have to define the address. So I'm just giving random address. So you can give whatever you prefer, or if you have any rules or standard, you can follow that. And you can make this SCADAPack 5 as a router for the DNP3. So if you want to use it as a DNP3 router, you can take it, and if you want to communicate with another peer of another SCADAPack 5 it take the peer-to-peer client. So yeah, and rest of the setting you can leave as it is. If you don't need, if you need it, just enable them. I won't be needing them, so let's click next. Setting is PC communication setting. In PC communication setting, this is the setting in which enables your PC to communicate with SCADAPack. So it depends how you are connecting your SCADAPack to your PC. So we have a bunch of options here. I'm using SCADAPack USB. If you are connecting SCADAPack using USB, you can just connect it. It will collect all required information. So click next, finished. This is how you can create project you in RemoteConnect to configure SCADAPack. So if you like to see more video on RemoteConnect to configure SCADAPack, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. I will be uploading another video explaining all different sections of this new project. So thank you very much for watching until the end.